Team, let's review the F-22 Raptor blueprints.
The radar cross-section data is excellent.
Agreed. The AESA radar upgrade looks good. Engine thrust is stable, no thermal issues.
Here, every detail of the F-22's production is tracked in real time, ensuring precision at every step.
The new propulsion system looks solid. Agreed, but the fuel efficiency needs work.
Let's adjust the wing geometry.
I'll run the simulations now.
Good. That should optimize it.
Perfect. Anomaly in Sector 7. Confirm status. Confirmed. Rerouting now. Isolate and redirect power. Power rerouted. Stabilizing. Good. Monitor closely.
Every curve and edge of the F-22 is crafted with meticulous precision, sparks marking the birth of innovation.
Alignment check on this wing section. Precision is key.
Readings are within tolerance. Proceed to next panel.
Confirmed. Let's get it locked in.
In these machines, precision meets power, as each component comes to life with sparks of engineering brilliance.
Panel alignment complete. Ready for the next sequence. Copy that. Initiating calibration on the upper module. Confirmed. Systems are green.
Each F-22 is meticulously inspected, every cockpit checked before the engines roar to life.
Check the power module connections. Secure. Moving the data bus. Good. Let's run the diagnostics. Running now. Voltages look stable. Team, the new wing design. Lift is up, but drag needs work. Running the simulation now. Results in a moment. Confirmed. The model is stable at Mach 0.85. Good. Let's optimize the flaps for better efficiency. Connection secured. Rerouting powered auxiliary. Thrusters online. Standing by for vector. All cell systems green. Ready for launch. Running the systems check now. Copy that. Avionics are clear. I'm getting a reading on the fuselage. Send the data over. Transmitting now. Looks good. Line speed is optimal. Keep it steady. Part secured. Moving to the next station. Confirmed. Proceed. Insertion complete. All systems green. Initiating full fuselage scan. Roger that. Models are syncing. Camera locked. Proceed. Data influx looks good. No anomalies. Copy. Scanning complete. Excellent. Saving the final profile. Lifts engaged, lowering engines into bays. Alignment good, lock it in. Installation confirmed, systems checked. Sequence initiated, monitoring vitals. Copy, ready for ignition. Afterburners engaged, thrust building. Level stable, clear for full power. Thrust nominal, standing by. Running pre-flight checks now. Avionics are stable. Confirmed. Moving to hydraulics. Copy that. Initiating radar sweep. All systems green. Hydraulics check complete. Pressure's nominal. Avionics diagnostics are green. Running the final sequence. Panel seals are secure. No leaks. Copy that. Disengaging the data link.
Every system comes alive as these fighters roar to life, ready for the skies. Precision on the ground mirrors their dominance in the air. Every detail is double-checked before the mission begins.
Control surfaces free and clear. Wing checks complete. Avionics green. Ready for taxi.
Side by side, they prepare for synchronized takeoff.